you doing?
Are you Cletus the Fart Man? Huh?
Can I help you?
What are y'all doing out here, man?
Drifting, fixing cars, doing all kinds
Got
of shit.
some mechanics or something?
Yep.
What the heck is that, man? This thing run?
Oh yeah.
Golly.
Easy. Doesn't have a steering wheel.
What the heck is this, man?
Easy. Easy. What the fuck you doing? What was that for? Oh shit.
God dang market, man. Welcome to Creek Water. We do all kind of custom work out here, son. Yeah!